Hi there, Clifford Mwiza here and welcome to CIZA Technologies. So I'm going to run you through an installation that we did in Osaka's Foxborough area. Please stay tuned and enjoy.
When it comes to Deye installations, I prefer using the grand trunkings. Quality should tally quality.
We then started to sketch the layout and the drill hole markings of the battery brackets. I then started to mount the protection boxes. I first started with the PV box. My colleague then started to mount his battery brackets in accordance to our layout. Mounted my last protection box, which is the S box. Notice how I love working with the spirit level, hands down. I love making straight. I always love making straight. And then I mounted the battery disconnect. And I'll emphasize again, notice how I work with them. And also, I love to clean as I go. Clean as I go always. Finishing up a few final touches of our layouts. And please kindly rate our layout. We'd love to hear from you guys how our layouts are.
Then after, we mounted our 8 kWh Deye inverter. This is an EU version.
So I'm sure you're wondering why I mentioned the EU version. So there are two versions, the EU version and the S version. The difference is just the certifications and the voltages. There we go, Clifford Mwiza with the spirit level again. With the help of my colleagues, we then started to wire the system. I first started with the PV box. This is my favorite part of the job. I love to make circuits come to life.
Oh yeah, by the way, my colleague decided to first finish his battery connections. He's so obsessed with batteries, I don't know why.
Then job finito. Just doing a few final touches here and there. Housekeeping is my favorite part of the job because this clearly indicates that we're done. The system is working, we've done a test run, and I started to hand over. So there you have it. The beautiful 8 kVA Deye inverter coupled to two 5.1 kWh Dynas batteries. And up there we have a 7,700 watt peak solar array.